Hello and welcome to the section 4 Information Gathering. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about how to use NetDiscover tool for gathering information. Then we will use Nmap tool as well as Sparta tool for scanning ports, and we will also use Maltego tool to gather information about various kind of systems. So let's start with the first video of section 4, using NetDiscover tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, what is NetDiscover, and then how we can gather information using NetDiscover inside Kali Linux, that we are going to cover here in this video. So what you need to do here, you need to open up Kali Linux operating system inside VMware Workstation, and there I'm going to show you how to use NetDiscover. So guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and here I'm going to show you that how you can use NetDiscover tool for information gathering using Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, let me show you where it is. If you can click on applications, inside information gathering, you can find out NetDiscover right here. So you can click here. So this is NetDiscover. So this is the use of NetDiscover, that how you can use this. These all are the options available here, or you can say filters available here, right? So for example, first of all, -I device. Right, it will provide you information about your network device, -I filter or -I option. The most important options are these two for us for information gathering, -R and -L, right? So what -R provides information? It provides information about range, right? You can provide a network range here, and by using that range we can find out the machines available inside your network, the live machines available inside your network. So scan a given range instead of auto scan. So we are not doing auto scan, we are providing it a range, and you can provide it like this, right? -L option is also available here. So -L is for file, right? Scan the list of ranges containing into a file. For example, if you have a file, right, you have all the ranges written there, you can also provide that file directly to NetDiscover so that it can gather information about the machines inside your network, right? You don't need to type inside the command, just give it a file name which contains the IP addresses, and it will scan the network and provide you the system informations, right? Other options are also available, right? But we are only going to use these kind of options because we are performing information gathering. So we are going to find out IP addresses which are live inside your network, and information about MAC address and vendor, etc. So let me start with the auto scan command of NetDiscover. So you can click terminal, open it. So how to perform auto scan inside NetDiscover to find out the IP addresses running inside your network? Quite simple. First of all, you can type ifconfig. So you can see here that this is my adapter, right? ETS0, H0, and this is my IP address, right? You can see the range 192.168.0.8. So now to perform auto scan inside NetDiscover, what you can do, you can type NetDiscover space -I interface, and if you want to check on my interface how many systems are working, so you can use the interface name here, which is ETS0, right? If it is WLAN0, then you can type WLAN0 and hit enter. So here it is taking automatically the IP addresses. It is scanning inside my network that how many IP addresses are running inside my network. As I am using my home router, so you can see here that there is hardly a system live inside my network, right? It will not count your Kali Linux IP address, right? Because you are using your system, so obviously it is live. So it will only show you how many other systems are live, right? So there are 3 systems, and basically one of them is router, right? This is my main operating system, and it is not showing Kali Linux because you are working on them. So there are 3 systems available inside my network, inside my home network. So this is basically .1 is gateway or router, right? This is the MAC address of my router, and this is the vendor. So I have a D-Link. One more system is connected inside my network, which looks like the phone of Samsung. So this is IP address which is provided by the Microsoft. It is my main operating system, and it looks like a Samsung phone connected inside my network recently, right? So this is the IP address of that phone, this is the MAC address, and this is the vendor name. So there are 4 systems available, right? One is my Kali Linux, which is not listed here, right? One is a phone, Samsung. This is my main operating system, Windows 10, and this is the router. D-Link router is also available here. So that's how you can find out that how many systems are live inside your network using auto scanning of NetDiscover. Now next is how you can manually provide the range of IP addresses inside NetDiscover. So that I'm going to show you here. So you can type Control C to clear it, and you can type clear also. So to provide a range, you can type -R option here. So you can type here NetDiscover -R. You know where these kind of information is very important, in which phase. It is important in when you are performing network pen testing. So in network pen testing, first of all, you need to find out that how many IP addresses are live. So NetDiscover can help you, right? You don't need to use any Windows tool or anything, any other GUI tool. NetDiscover is a command line tool, and it is providing you the best results. Now this is about range, so you can provide a range also. So for example, I'm providing my network range /24, right? And hit enter. It will again provide you the same results because I have provided NetDiscover exactly the same kind of range. So you can see here that now there are only 2 machines connected. One is basically the router, and second one is my main Windows 10 operating system. There are only 2 hosts available inside my network. Now you can also provide IP addresses via file, right? So you can type Control C, you can type clear, hit enter, and you can minimize it first of all. Let me open a leafpad file here. Inside this leafpad file, let me type the range of IP address, for example 192.168.0.0/24, right? You can save it anywhere, for example inside root with the name ip.txt. Click save, and we have saved it. Now you can close it. So we have created a file and we have typed the range of my network. Now you can again open the terminal, and here you can type for file. Otherwise you can also type NetDiscover -h take help. So to scan from a file, you can provide the option -l, right? And it will scan the list of ranges contained into a given file. So you can close it, and here you can type NetDiscover -I or -l, small l, and the file which we have created inside root ip.txt, right? So the command looks correct. Hit enter, and it will also take the IP address from that list, right? And it will provide you right here, right? So you can see here that now it is providing information about the systems connected. So as I already told you that this is my router, this is my main operating system, and one more, I think these 2 are the mobile phones, right? One is basically Apple phone, and second one is a Samsung phone is connected inside my network. So there are 5 systems available inside my network, right? One is router, one is my main operating system, 2 are the mobile phones, and one is my Kali Linux, which is not connected with this NetDiscover and is not showing you right here because we are working on our system, so obviously it is live. So these 5 systems are live inside my network. Now I have provided you information that how you can gather information about IP addresses using auto scan, using manual scan, and also using a file to gather information about the live IP address inside your network. So this is all about information gathering using NetDiscover tool, and it will help you inside network pen testing. In the next video, we are going to learn about Nmap tool. Thank you.